I'm Christine from Peg Perego, and today we're going to be demonstrating how to install the Primo Viaggio Nido into your vehicle. The first thing is you're going to want to make sure your vehicle is parked on level ground. To access the latches, pull down the door, press the red buttons, and pull the latch out, and then shut the cover. Then unfold the load leg from underneath the base, and it'll engage into place. Then place the base rear facing in the vehicle's back seat. Check the level indicator at the top of the base, and it's going to tell you where you need to be according to your baby's weight. And to adjust the base, just turn the knob left or right. Open the right tight lock off, and then snap your latches into the latch bars in the vehicle, and you should hear a click. Push down on the base and pull the strap to tighten. Then close the right tight lock off. You're going to want to ensure that the base does not move more than 1 inch from side to side. Extend the load leg until it touches the floor of the vehicle. Snap the car seat into the base, and then move the handle to the back of the seat by pressing the gray buttons and moving the handle back. You're ready to go.